we are here. My name is Sene. My name is Sally. And today we'll do OOBLECK experiment. Let's start. Now I'm telling you what we need for OOBLECK experiment. First, colors, cornstarch, and a little bit of water. And a bowl. Yes, Sene, tell me one example of a solid rock and one example of a liquid water. Very good, Sene. Now let's start our experiment. Yes, guys, now we are testing OOBLECK is solid or liquid. Let's see. First, and I'm putting guys. Now we are mixing and I'm putting slowly. Guys, look! Oh my god! Look, guys, how it's nice. Let's mix now. Guys, when I'm mixing, it's very hard. Now it's like solid. Guys, look. Now it's liquid. Look, guys. Inside it's solid. Look, guys. This is when it waits, it comes. So look. Yes, guys, let's look. We mixed. Now I am putting and I will cut. Look, guys. Yes, I am doing. Look, guys. And I'm taking. Yes, I am taking my hand again. And leave it. Bye-bye. And you can make it, guys, with us. Like and subscribe our channel. And now we are seeing OOBLECKs. Let me see. Oh my god! Oh my god! Look, guys! Guys, look! It's come to solid. Now I'm taking. Guys, look, when I take, it's like solid. When I leave, liquid. Guys, it's very nice. Try this at home. It's very relaxing. Your hands. Look, guys. Oh my god. Look. It's liquid. Guys, look under my hand. Guys, OOBLECK is like slime. Yes. Look at this, guys. Slime. Very close to slime. Look, guys. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. I make swing. Guys, look. This is like solid first. Solid. And liquid. Wow. So guys, it's very nice. I tell you, do this at home. It's very relaxing. First solid, then liquid. Look, guys. Bye guys. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.